Hey kids, take two, Freaky Friday. The second cocktail is, what am I making? Oh, the Jungle Bird. I forgot for a second. Still behind the camera is Danny. So let's get started. You will need dark rum, a little bit of Campari, some simple syrup, pineapple juice, and lime juice for this bad boy. All right, so let's start off. Well, we need 1.5 ounces of overproof Jamaican. So we're using the Tiki Lovers dark rum for that. And then we need 3/4 ounce of an Amari. Ooh, crash. 1/2 ounce of simple. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And then we're gonna use 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Again, about 12 ounces of crushed ice. And shake till well instigated or diluted, I should say. All right, same thing. We're gonna whack the sides a little bit, really release the oils. And then we're gonna dirty pour this into the mug. And then just give it a little bit of ice for the top. And we're gonna use said garnish of mint. And then a little lemon wheel with a Marasca maraschino cherry. Shove our straw in there. And here you go, the Jungle Bird. Cheers.